Hello friends, you're welcome to today's lesson. Today we'll be looking at these two modal verbs, can and may. There are other modal verbs in English, but our focus today is on just these two, can and may. Do you know the difference between them? Do you know exactly when to use them in sentences? Which one do you think will fit into these spaces? Let's find out. We will first of all find out when to use them in sentences, and after that, we will use them to fill up these gaps. Okay? Let's start. Can is used when a sentence is talking about ability. Ability to do something. Okay? May is used when the sentence is talking about permission, or when the sentence is talking about possibility. May can sometimes be used for polite request. Polite request. Okay? The request must be polite. Alright, so can for ability, use may for permission, for possibility, and for polite request. Alright, let's see how we can use them to fill up these gaps. And as we do so, you will surely understand exactly when to use them. Number one, blank, I open the door now. In this sentence, you can see that it is a question and the speaker is seeking for permission to open the door. Okay? So the right word for permission is may. May I open the door now? That's permission. If you say, can I open the door now? It means you're asking the listener if you have what it takes, if you have the ability to open the door. And that is wrong. So to seek for permission, you use may. Okay? May I open the door now? That's perfect. 2. My mother blank drive a car. Now, in this sentence, we have drive here. We know that to drive a car requires a skill, it requires ability. So this sentence is talking about ability. And for ability, we use what? Can. My mother can drive a car. 3. Blank, I borrow your book. Now, this is another question. And if you look at this sentence very well, you will see that the speaker is making a request. Okay? And for us to make this request polite, we use may. May I borrow your book? That's a polite request. Okay? 4. He blank speak French fluently. Now, in this sentence, we have the word speak here. To speak, you need to have the ability. And it is not just to speak French, it is to speak it fluently. That means you need what it takes to speak French fluently. So this sentence is talking about ability. And for ability, we use what? Can. He can speak French fluently. 5. It's blank rain tonight. Now, this sentence is talking about possibility. Now, it is not raining currently, but it is possible that it will rain tonight. So for possibility, we use may. It may rain tonight. 6. You blank use my pen if you like. Now, in this sentence, if you look at it very well, the speaker is giving somebody permission. All right? This is talking about permission, saying that you have the freedom to use my pen if you like. So, for permission, what do we use? May. You may use my pen if you like. 7. He blank speak French fluently. Oh, sorry, this is a repetition. Number 4 and 7 are the same. 4 is can, so let's write can here. He can speak French fluently. Remember what you said about this. It's talking about ability to speak French fluently. Okay? 8. You blank park the car here. It's allowed. Now, this one is somehow technical. The reason is because the word park or park the car requires ability to do so. Okay, and since it requires ability to do so, we use can. You can park the car here. It's allowed, meaning it is allowed. So if you have what it takes to drive the car, you can park it here. It is also talking about permission because since it is allowed, you have the permission to park the car here. So this is talking about ability and also permission. So for permission, we use may. It means if you say you can park the car here, it's allowed. You're correct. If you also say you may park the car here, it's allowed. You are correct as well. All right. 9. My brother blank play football very well. This is obvious. We're talking about playing football here and it requires ability to do so. This one is not confusing at all. Can is the right word. My brother can play football very well. 10. Blank, I know your name. Now this one is a question. It is a polite request. The speaker is requesting to know your name. So this is a polite request. Okay? So for polite request, we use may. May I know your name? 11. We blank join you later. Now this one is talking about possibility. This means we may join you later, we may not join you later. It is possible that we'll join you later. It may not be possible to join you later. So may is the right word. 12. She blank finished the work today. Now pay close attention to this one because it is also technical. Now this finish the work has to do with ability. Okay? She needs to have the ability to finish the work today. So for ability, we use can. But it is also talking about possibility, meaning that it is possible for her to finish the work today. It is also possible that she would not finish the work today. So this sentence talks about ability and possibility at the same time. So for possibility, we use may. That means anyone you use in this sentence is correct. It depends on the message you want to pass across. Okay? 13. You blank sit anywhere in the hall. Now this one is obvious. It's talking about permission. Okay? You're giving someone permission to sit anywhere he or she likes in the hall. Alright? For permission we use may. You may sit anywhere in the hall. The last one, you blank leave once you finish the test. Now for this one, I'd like to hear from you. I want you to answer in the comment section.